Big rock singers, big golden fingers, and we're loving everywhere we go. We sing about beauty and we sing about truth. $10,000 a show. We take all kind of pills that give us all kind of thrills, but the thrill never known. Thrill that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the covers. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Got a freaky old lady named a Cocaine Katie who embroiders on my jeans. Poor old gray-haired daddy driving our limousine. It's all designed to blow our minds, but our minds won't really be blown. That blow that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. You know how you get to the cover of the Rolling Stone, right, man? Yeah, that's right, man. Rock and roll! That was fucking sweet, man. We got a lot of little teenage blue-eyed groupies do anything we say. A genuine Indian guru, he's teaching us a better way. And all the friends the money can buy, but we never have to be alone. Well, we keep getting richer, but I can't get my picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. That's right, man. I can see it right now. You can picture this face, man, right there on the cover, man. I'd be all high and smiling.